the innovation and the new types of paradigm shifts taking place in the world of unified communication, technologies like voice over IP, and new approaches in terms of how organizations are taking advantage of mobility on handheld smart devices over time. And I think that what you'll find our strategy is holistically is in a couple of key areas. First is around the innovation of the platform. And we innovate on the platform in a number of different ways. First of all is on the handset. So we obviously have Windows Mobile 6 available today with the .NET Compact Framework Edition. And what that means is that from a platform perspective, we're building a very rich programmable platform for developers, organizations to innovate and build out their own types of applications. We also do it on the server side. So from a platform perspective, we've recently released our Unified Communications portfolio. So it leverages not only a footprint that an organization has around things like Active Directory and Exchange, but extends that into the world of voice. Voice over IP is clearly one of the major areas of focus for us. And what's really, really interesting then is if we innovate across the platform on the one level, we're also adding a degree of sophistication and interest around the business logic. A great example of this is a technology called Presence. So most of you are obviously familiar with Presence from running MSN Messenger or Yahoo or AOL, where you can tell if your friends are online or offline or what they're doing. And what Microsoft has done with our Unified Communications portfolio is to embed Presence very deeply into both the platform and the applications. The significance of this is really exciting because we think we can enable people to work and collaborate together in new and interesting ways. So let's say a few people are doing an email discussion back and forth. Using the Microsoft portfolio, we can understand if those people are online or offline, if they're in a meeting or not in a meeting. And literally as simple as a click, create a conference call between the three of them. So it pulls together the mobility investments on the handset, the platform investments across the server, and some very powerful new business technologies around presence, unified communications, and voice over IP overall.